Dear students, in this video I will discuss about construction equipment which is in the syllabus of the GATE Architecture and Planning. As you know that in GATE 2021, numerical answer type, that is NAT, and multiple select questions are also introduced. So here I will discuss, and obviously the previous one, that is the multiple choice questions, are also there. So in this video I will discuss three different types of question, that is the numeric answer type, multiple select question, as well as the multiple choice question in this video on the topic construction equipment. So please have a look at it. So the first question I have taken up for the numeric answer type, the question goes like this way. For cleaning and grubbing of construction site of 15,000 meter square area, a bulldozer is used, which has effective width of 2 meter of blade and average speed of 2.5 km per hour. If hiring charges of the bulldozer are rupees 500 per hour, then cost per meter square is rupees dash, within bracket it is written up to 2 decimal places. So let us have a look. So area of the site is 15,000 meter square, speed is equal to 2.5 km per hour, convert it into meter per hour, that is 2500 meter per hour. Width of the blade is 2 meter. So first you write it down. Okay. Next we will do that distance covered by the blade. How much distance it will cover? The total area is how much? 15,000. Width of the blade is how much? 2 meter. So how much distance it will cover? So 15,000 divided by 2, that is 7,500 meter. Now time taken for the dozer. Time taken, how you can find it out? Time taken is equal to distance by speed. We know this is the basic formula. How much is the distance? 7,500 meter is the distance covered by the blade. And what is the speed of the dozer? Speed of the dozer is 2,500 meter per hour, which we have converted it from kmph, correct? So from here we are getting the time taken for the dozer is 3 hours. Now you see, hiring charges is given as rupees 500 per hour. So for 3 hours, how much it will take? 1500. In 1 hour it takes rupees 500. So 3 hours it will take rupees 1500. So rupees 1500 is needed for to clean and grab the construction site of 15,000 meter square areas, because that is our original value. 15,000 meter square is our area. So total charge is rupees 1500 for 15,000 meter square area. So what will be the cost per square meter? So 15,000 divided by 1500, that is the 10. So in the answer you have to write it rupees 10.00 or simple 10. So here is the numeric answer type question. So now I will discuss about the multiple select question. Let us have a look at the first question. Consider the following statements. A mixture designated 400 NT indicates that it is a non-tilting type mixture. Its nominal mix batch capacity is 400 liter. It requires 300 revolutions for proper mixing of the batch using 1 bag of cement. And so which of the statements given above are correct? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. In the multiple select questions, please remember that you have to mark all correct options, else you will get 0. So here the correct correct statements are statement 1 and statement 2. So you have to mark option A and option B. A mixer designated 400 NT indicates that NT stands for non-tilting. So the first statement is correct. It is a non-tilting type mixture. And the second, that the number 400, that indicates the nominal mix batch capacity. So statement 1 and statement 2 is correct. Let us have a look at the second question. Which of the following are the advantages of crawler mounted bulldozer over wheel mounted bulldozer? Statement 1, higher travel speed. 2, able to travel over very soft soil. 3, able to travel over very rough surfaces having no haul roads. Select the correct answer below using the codes given. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. So the correct statements are 2 and 3. That means able to travel over very soft soil and able to travel over very rough surfaces having no haul roads. So you have to mark here option B as well as option C. Let us have a look at the question number 3. Which of the following are the advantages of a crawler mounted power shovel over a rubber typed equipment? 1. It can operate off soft and hard soil. 2. It is less expensive than rubber tired equipment. 3. It works faster than rubber tired equipment. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct answer is A and B, that is statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. That is, the advantages of a crawler mounted power shovel is that it can operate on soft and hard soil, and it is also less expensive than the rubber tired equipment. So here you have to mark option A and B both. Next I will come with the multiple choice questions. So let us have a look at the question number 1. Transportation of concrete mix by pumps is very convenient method, particularly in the case of A. housing complex, B. cement concrete pavement, C. low rise building, D. tunnel lining. The correct answer is housing complex. Transportation of concrete mix by pump is very convenient in case of a housing complex. Option A is the correct answer. Question 2. What is the correct sequence of operations involved in concrete production? Option A. Batching, mixing, handling, transportation. Option B. Mixing, batching, handling, transportation. Option C. Transportation, handling, mixing, batching. Option D. Handling, transportation, mixing, batching. So the correct sequence of operations involved in concrete production is batching, mixing, handling, transportation. That is, the option A is correct. Let us have a look at question number 3. Which one of the following shovel excavator is considered most efficient in loading carrier? A. Dipper shovel, B. dragline, C. backhoe, D. clamshell. The correct answer is backhoe. Option C. Question number 4. Bottom dump wagons are suitable for handling which of the following? A. Wet sticky clay, B. sand gravel, C. quarry rocks, D. any type of material. Bottom dump wagons are suitable for sand and gravel. That is, option B is the correct answer. Question number 5. Vibratory rollers are more useful for compacting which of the following? Sandy soil, silty soil, clayey soil and mixed soil. The correct answer is vibratory rollers are more useful in case of sandy soil. So option A is correct. When power shovels are operated under different site conditions in terms of material handled, what is the correct sequence in the increasing order of the output for the following materials? Number 1, well blasted rock. Number 2, hard and tough clay. Number 3, poorly blasted rock. Number 4, moist loam or sand. Select the correct answer using the code given below. These type of questions are really little bit tricky because you have to think it, the 4 options are given and the sequence you see, option A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4. Option B is as 1, 4, 3, 2. Option C is 4, 2, 3, 1. Option D is 4, 3, 1, 2. Now while attempting the question, as you can see, I will tell you the trick over here. See, option A and B both starts with option 1, that is the well blasted rock. And option C and D both starts with option 4, that is the moist loam or sand. So you can be sure of that either well blasted rock or moist loam or sand, any one would be the first option. Now if you decide that which one will be the first option, it becomes easy for you to answer. So the first option is that is the moist loam or sand. Correct sequence. So in the sequence increasing order of output, increasing order of output, first it will come the moist loam or sand. That is the first option. So now if you decide or if you know about it, then your option A and option B, then it eliminates. Correct. Now it is the choice between option C and D, because you know that the moist loam or sand, this will be the, in the sequence it will be the first one. Now you see that if you closely observe option C and D, you can you will observe that in the second option that either it will be 2 or 3. Correct. So if you can decide, you don't have to check for all the 4 options, because if you are very sure of. Okay, so here the correct options will be 4, 2, 3, 1. That is the option C. First it is the moist loam or sand, then it is the hard and tough clay, then it is poorly blasted rock, and the last one is the well blasted rock. Okay, so now in this way these questions can be attempted. Question number 6 I have covered. For 3-dimensional movement of a weight, which one of the following is most suitable? A. Chain hoist, B. Winch, C. Crane, D. Jack. The correct answer is option C, that is crane. Question number 8. How are concrete mixtures specified? Option A. By the number of cement bags used in a batch. B. By the nominal volume of concrete that can be mixed in a batch. C. By the volume of water used. D. By the volume of aggregates used. So the correct answer is the concrete mixtures are specified by the nominal volume of concrete that can be mixed in a batch. The option B is correct. Question number 9. Fill factor range of a power shovel when used for a well blasted rock is option A 0.9 to 1, option B 0.8 to 0.9, option C 0.6 to 0.75, option D 0.4 to 0.5. The correct answer is option A 0.9 to 1. Next question. In a group housing project, it is proposed to use prefabricated RCC beams and columns. The most useful construction equipment is A. derrick crane, B. chute, C. weigh batcher, D. transit mixture. The correct answer is derrick crane. Question number 11. Which one of the following roller is suitable for soil cement stabilized road construction? A. vibratory roller, B. sheep foot roller, C. pneumatic roller, D. smooth wheel roller. Vibratory roller is suitable for soil cement stabilized road construction. This is a very, very important question. This question, vibratory roller. Okay, so option A is correct. The next question is the most suitable type of equipment for compaction of cohesive soil. A. smooth wheeled roller, B. vibratory roller, C. sheep foot roller, D. tamper. The most suitable equipment for compaction of cohesive soil is sheep foot roller. That is option C is correct. Question number 13. For excavating rocks, the most suitable equipment is A. dragline, B. power shovel, C. clamshell, D. hoe. For excavating rock, the most suitable equipment is power shovel. That is option B is correct. Question number 14. What type of vibrator is used for concreting thin section as well as heavily reinforced section? A. vibrating needle, B. internal vibrator, C. surface vibrator, D. foam vibrator. So, for concreting thin section as well as heavily reinforced section, foam vibrator is used. So, option D is correct.